Hello everybody, and by that I mean like the 3 people watching my video. Anyway, today I wanted to show you or myself when I eventually have Alzheimer's how to make lamb and rice. It's a super simple, really filling and warming dish, which essentially is the stuffing to stuffed grape leaves, also known as yebidet, but that, my friends, is for another day. Also, I'm sorry I sound like I'm really stuffed up. I'm taking a lot of codeine right now for a kidney surgery, so just roll with it. So for the hardware, you're going to need an oven preheated to 350 or 375 degrees depending on how hungry you are. A large 4-quart oblong baking dish thingy. I don't know exactly what to call it, but my mom's probably asleep, so I'm not going to ask her to find out. You're going to need a little spoon, and if you want, get some nitrile gloves too, because we're going to be working with raw meat here, and I vehemently dislike the feeling of slimy raw meat on my hands. Shut up, you perverts. For the software or the food parts, you're going to need lamb and rice. Hopefully that wasn't too much of a surprise. You'll also need some allspice, kosher salt, garlic powder, some lemon juice, and some water. For exact measurements, check the description below. And you might be saying, really? That's it? Yes, that is it. And don't start adding a bunch of your garbage ingredients to it because you think it might make it better. And this isn't some Greek dolma or Lebanon warakanab crap either, so keep your nasty ass dill pickles and or pickle juice away from this beautiful, perfect dish. Keep it simple, stupid. So to start off, open up the lamb and slap it in there and then flatten it out a bit. Then what you want to do is you want to take your garlic powder, your salt, and allspice and pour it on top of the meat as evenly as possible. Now go ahead and mix that into the meat, giving it that TLC every meat in this world deserves. Okay, that's enough of that. Now we're going to add our rice. Now, before we do that, let's go ahead and make sure we wash it twice by adding water to it and then straining it out. This makes our rice a little bit puffier and better in my opinion. This also rips away a good amount of the vitamins from the rice, so if you're looking to get the most nutrients that rice has to offer, then go eat some almonds or something, you'll live. So once again, flatten the meat out as much as possible, and then we're going to add the rice in small batches till it's all in there. This is much easier than just throwing it all in at once. And I love the taste of allspice, like a lot, so I add a bit more in at this stage, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. It's your life. You can have incorrect opinions. It's okay. And so now that we got that done, flatten her out again, and then we're going to add our lemon juice. Be sure to get the real lemon kind. This is the only kind that tastes good in my opinion, and yeah, it is a bit more expensive, but if you want to do this right, do this right. Go ahead and empty the entire bottle out over the entire flat slab of lamb rice thingy, and then we're going to add our water. Now once you've done this, the liquid should be above the solids, and if not, add some more lemon juice. No scurvy here today, ladies and gents. Leave it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes and then go ahead and pop that bad boy in the oven. So your timer to come back in about 45 minutes. Ow, 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 ow. Anyway, once time is up, check your dish. If it still has a good amount of liquid on top, stir it real quick and pop it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. Also, pro tip, if you are smart, invest in actual oven mitts and not these so you don't spill everything everywhere. Yeah, that's pretty good advice. Alright, anyways, after 15 minutes is up, this should really be done using the 350 setting, and the 375 setting will probably be finished a bit sooner. And at this point, you're going to go ahead and just stir it to make everything nice and homogeneous. And really all that's left is just to serve. I would suggest using some pita bread, and if you're like me and love lemon juice, add some more in your own bowls. The weenies in the group that can't handle a bit of citric acid can have some too. Now this dish is amazing. It reminds me of all the times my Syrian grandmother or my sita would make us yebidet during the Thanksgiving or Christmas or really any day season. Good memories. All I can say is that this is the best damn thing in the world and no one can tell me different. And with that, enjoy.